Everyone, Rob here from Elasto Proxy. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager, and on February 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll be hosting a webinar called The 5 Manufacturing Trends of 2021. Because of COVID, we began to see trends emerge from companies that manufacture and supply customers. Trends that, especially late in the year of 2020, and for sure will be emerging and going through 2021, these trends began to impact our customers, and we were able to collaborate and resolve these issues and these trends. So we want to kind of share these insights because they might be impacting your business today. So I'll be sharing the link for the registration. Please don't be shy, register. And who is Elasto Proxy? If you might be wondering, Elasto Proxy is a sealing and insulation manufacturing partner. Yes, we may provide commodity products, but we are definitely not a commodity company. So please register, and looking forward to seeing you on February 24th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have a good one.